my name is Amanda and I'm a teacher here at Colégio Raízes, and I'm here today to talk to you about hands-on. Hands-on is an extra class that the school provides to the students, and on this class we have another kinds of activities. We don't use a book, and we do music, some craft work. We reproduce conversations that they're going to have on their routine, on their life. So on hands-on English is a plus, is an extra of English. It's very good for the kids to develop another things, another ways to speak English, not only the vocabulary, but to experience real situations that they're going to face during the life. It's a very fun way to learn, okay? We do a lot of hand works, let me say like this, and it's very fun and it's very good for us to practice our English, especially the conversation and all the things that they learn in the books too. So I hope you enjoy it, and come and let's do the hands-on English.
Hello, I'm teacher Fernanda, and I'm here to talk a little bit about the hands-on English, which is one activity that the school brings for the students to have the opportunity to learn English in a funny way. What is that? It's an experience for the students to entertain themselves learning a different language, English. And in fact, we put the students in different roles. For example, restaurants, an ice cream place, in a snack bar, in different types of situations that they force themselves to speak English. It's a very fun way because we sing together, we play together, we act together, and they have a lot of fun.
Hey, what's up? My name is Marcius, and I am one of the English teachers of Colégio Raízes, and I'm here today to talk about hands-on English. What is hands-on English? They are activities we design for students so that they can use their English in real-life situations. So they can make posters, and they can actually post materials, to their social media profiles. A lot of activities that will actually consolidate the activities and our work in the classroom. So everything they learn, everything they practice in the classroom is gonna be converted into real life situations in our hands-on English sessions. Okay, so that's it. That's what I have to say. And so thank you very much for watching, and join us. Come to Raízes. See you around. Bye bye.